New at 5, the 3 men convicted of murdering Ahmaud Arbery are appealing their federal hate crime convictions. It's a case we have been following for you from the beginning. Ahmaud Arbery shot to death while running through the Centilla Shores neighborhood in Brunswick 3 years ago.
In federal court, prosecutors showed the men targeted Arbery because he was a black man. Teresa Bowles spoke to lawyers about the likelihood of the court overturning their federal convictions.
Well, guys, Bryan and Gregory McMichael are arguing at trial that the prosecution didn't prove race played a role in Arbery's murder, and all 3 defendants are arguing whether Arbery was on a public road to begin with, which was a key detail in the hate crimes case.
I don't think there's much chance. I think that the lawyers for these 3 gentlemen, they're fulfilling their duties by appealing this.
Attorney Ed Buckley says he has been following the Arbery case and feels the McMichaels and Bryan are clutching at straws. Attorney Michael Moore says it will be tough to overturn a jury verdict, but not impossible.
Courts have overturned convictions based on the conduct of lawyers in a case. Courts have overturned convictions based upon the admission of other physical evidence, unless they find something that in some way was so prejudicial that it impaired the defendant's constitutional rights to get a fair trial. And that's the ultimate question that the appellate court will be looking at.
I read through the appeals, and the defendants claimed there wasn't enough evidence to show their actions were racially motivated, that there was some reward for kidnapping Arbery, and proof that their truck could be used as an obstruction, which led to a kidnapping charge.
They were clearly trying to corner this man to impair his liberty, his freedom. And I think that was a kidnapping. And certainly when you hold a gun on somebody after you have stopped him.
Buckley sees the federal conviction as cut and dry.
I think it's a Hail Mary pass, honestly. It's a good effort. I just really seriously doubt that it's going to be successful.
No matter what happens, both lawyers stress that this is just a part of the course.
It should not alarm those people who felt some sense of relief or some recognition of justice after the verdict. This is just a normal process.
The federal government is expected to respond to the appeals filed by the 3 defendants within the next 30 days.
All right, Teresa, thank you so much for that update.